Hello dear friends. On this video I want to show you how to rename multiple files at once in Linux. Here as you can see I have a list of different files. Select all by pressing Ctrl+A. Then select Rename option. In this new Windows you can rename a group of files at once. The first column shows the original names and the second column shows the new name. I want to rename these files to My Files and a number in order. So first I write My Files, then from +add I choose a numbering method. Also from automatic numbering order you can choose how to sort your files. You can select by original name or modified time. Finally click on Rename. As you can see all of my files are renamed by My Files and a number. Now I want to move them all in a new folder. So I select them all again and I need to select New Folder with selection. Done. Thank you for watching this video. Please like if this video was helpful and subscribe the channel may you need it later.